Hi, first graders. For today, we're going to work on a paper called Different Kinds. What does that mean? Well, a different kinds page shows some other types of your animal, or it shows your animal category. So, first, you're going to get a paper that looks like this. It has 4 different color sticky notes on it because you're going to be finding 4 different animal types that are related to your animal topic. Let me show you what I mean. For instance, if you're studying and you are researching sharks, you're going to find 4 different types of sharks. Now, if you look here, this is from a Pebble Go page, there's a ton of different sharks. So you would look through and you would pick the 4 that you think are the coolest sharks for your book. If you're studying fish, you would be able to put in fish and you would be able to read about different types of fish. And you would pick the 4 different types of fish that you want to study, and you would write those names on those sticky notes that are on your paper. Now, you might get an animal like a sheep, okay? Say that you're studying sheep. There's only a sheep. There are not different types. A sheep is a sheep. So if in this case, you would think about, where does the sheep live? It lives on a farm. So your category then would be different types of farm animals. So you could think about what other types of animals live on the farm with your sheep. Now, how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to get on Pebble Go today, because when we get on Pebble Go, we will be able to find all of those different types of animals. When you are logging in today, you're going to go to pebblego.com where it says username. You're going to type in Gallup. Where it says top secret password, you're going to type in school. Then you'll press go. You will get to a page that looks like this. At the very top over here, it says search Pebble Go. You're going to click there. That's where you're going to type in your animal name so that we can see if it'll bring up all different very specific types of that animal. So if you're studying dinosaurs, you would put in dinosaurs. Okay. If you're studying dogs, you'd put in dogs. Cats, you'd put in cats. So that's where your topic is going to go. Once you do that, it's going to bring up all of the different types of dogs or cats or whatever you put in. That's when you now have your computer. You look at those different types and you decide what type of animal you like. And then you write the 4 different types right down here on those sticky notes. Okay? When you're done with that, you have to put this paper in a safe place because you need this for tomorrow, because we're going to do a little bit more with this tomorrow. So you're either going to give it to a teacher to collect, or you are going to give it to a parent to save for tomorrow. If you need help logging on, you're just going to rewind this a little bit, go back to the login page where it gives you those very specific directions for logging on and the different steps that are going to get you to the page that you need. If you finish early and other people are still working, you're going to get to read and listen about those animals. So say that you're doing dogs and you clicked on Labrador Retriever as one of your types of dogs. If you have that all written down, you can click and you can listen and you can learn all about those dogs. This is going to help you for when it's time to write your story. Thanks, first graders.